Are you tired of pouring your heart and soul into advertising campaigns that fall flat? Do you want to crack the code to creating ads that captivate, engage, and drive unprecedented results? Well, get ready, because today we're about to unveil the secrets to advertising effectiveness that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about successful campaigns. Get ready to challenge the status quo and unlock the true potential of your ads. The power of advertising. Advertising has the power to captivate, persuade, and inspire action. It allows businesses to connect with their target audience on a profound level and shape consumer behavior. But how do we know if our advertising efforts are truly effective? That's where the concept of advertising effectiveness comes into play. Defining advertising effectiveness. Advertising effectiveness is the measurement of how well a marketing or advertising campaign achieves its objectives. It evaluates the extent to which specific advertisements or campaigns meet the goals set by the company. These goals can vary from increasing brand awareness and driving sales to boosting customer engagement and loyalty. Key metrics for measuring advertising effectiveness. To assess the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns, you need to rely on key metrics that provide valuable insights. Let's dive into some of these essential metrics. Reach and frequency. Reach refers to the total number of people or households exposed to your ad during a specified period. It's about how many eyes are seeing your message. Frequency, on the other hand, measures how often those people see or hear that same message within that period. Striking the right balance between reach and frequency ensures your message reaches a wide audience without becoming overwhelming or forgettable. Brand awareness and recall. Building brand awareness and recall is crucial for establishing a strong presence in the minds of consumers. Surveys, social media mentions, and engagement rates are valuable tools for measuring brand recognition and recall. It's about creating a lasting impression that resonates with your target audience, ensuring your brand is the first thing that comes to mind when they think of a specific product or service. Conversion rates and sales impact. Conversion rates measure the percentage of visitors to your website who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. It's the ultimate goal of advertising, turning viewers into customers. Additionally, evaluating the impact of advertising on sales revenue is essential to determine how effective your campaigns are in driving actual profits for your business. Customer engagement and interaction. Successful advertising goes beyond conversion rates and sales impact. It also focuses on creating meaningful engagement and interaction with customers. This can be achieved through interactive content, social media conversations, or direct email communication. High levels of engagement often lead to increased customer loyalty and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Return on investment, ROI. ROI is a crucial metric that evaluates the efficiency of your advertising investment. It compares the revenue generated from your campaigns to the expenses incurred. Positive ROI indicates that your campaigns have succeeded in delivering a return on your investment. It's an essential measure for ensuring that your advertising efforts are generating a positive impact on your business's bottom line. Factors influencing advertising effectiveness. Advertising effectiveness is influenced by various factors that can either enhance or hinder your campaign's success. Let's take a closer look at some of these influential factors. Target audience. Understanding your target audience is the foundation of effective advertising. By gathering data on demographics, interests, preferences, and buying habits, you can tailor your messages to resonate deeply with your audience. This allows you to create advertisements that speak directly to their needs and desires. Message and creativity. Crafting a compelling message is essential for grabbing your audience's attention and leaving a lasting impression. Incorporating emotional appeal, storytelling techniques, and a clear value proposition can set your ads apart from the competition. Creativity plays a crucial role in making your advertisements memorable and impactful. Medium and channel selection. Choosing the right medium and channel for your advertising campaigns is crucial. Traditional media outlets, such as television, radio, and print, may be suitable for reaching specific target audiences. On the other hand, digital platforms like social media networks, search engines, email marketing, and mobile apps provide opportunities to reach tech-savvy consumers. Understanding where and how your target audience consumes information helps you select the most effective channels for your campaigns. Timing and frequency. Timing is everything in advertising. Presenting your ads to consumers when they are most receptive increases the chances of capturing their attention and driving action. Additionally, carefully managing the frequency of your ads ensures that your message remains top of mind without overwhelming or annoying your audience. Competition and market conditions. Staying informed about your competitors' strategies and the current market conditions can give you a competitive edge. Analyzing your competitors' advertising tactics, identifying market trends, and understanding consumer behavior in relation to economic conditions can help you make informed decisions and differentiate yourself from the competition. Strategies for maximizing advertising effectiveness. Now that we understand the metrics and factors involved in advertising effectiveness, here's some strategies to maximize the impact of your advertising campaigns. Research and planning. Thorough research and planning are the building blocks of successful advertising campaigns. Understanding your target audience, their behavior, needs, and preferences allows you to develop a clear strategy. Data analytics tools and market research techniques provide valuable insights that can shape your campaigns. Personalization and customization. Personalizing your advertising messages to fit each individual consumer's characteristics and preferences increases relevance and engagement. Customization creates tailored experiences that make your audience feel valued and understood. By leveraging data and consumer insights, you can deliver personalized content that resonates with your target audience. A/B testing and optimization. A/B testing is a powerful technique to optimize your advertising campaigns. By creating different versions of your ads and testing them against each other, you can identify the most effective elements. Continuously optimizing your campaigns based on data-driven insights allows you to refine your approach and improve effectiveness over time. Integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication ensures that your messages are consistent across all channels. By coordinating your marketing efforts under one umbrella, you can avoid duplication, maintain a unified brand voice, and provide a seamless experience for your audience. Consistency and complementarity across various channels enhance reach and impact. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring the performance of your advertising campaigns is crucial for ongoing improvement. Regularly assessing key performance indicators, tracking customer feedback, studying market trends, and analyzing competitor strategies provide insights into what's working and what's not. Continuous evaluation allows you to make data-driven adjustments and optimize your campaigns for better results. The future of advertising effectiveness. As technology continues to advance and consumer behaviors evolve, the future of advertising effectiveness holds exciting possibilities. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to immersive experiences and personalized advertising, we'll explore how these developments can enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns and drive even greater results. But wait, before we wrap up this video, I have one more exciting segment for you. Get ready for some bonus tips and tricks to further enhance the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns. These additional strategies will help you take your advertising prowess to the next level. Bonus: tips and tricks for advertising effectiveness. Embrace data analytics. Harnessing the power of data analytics is essential for understanding your audience, tracking campaign performance, and making data-driven decisions. Utilize tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and customer relationship management, CRM software to gather valuable data and insights. Harness the power of influencers. Influencer marketing continues to be a highly effective strategy for reaching and engaging target audiences. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values and have a strong connection with your target audience to amplify your message and increase brand awareness. Optimize mobile advertising. As mobile usage continues to rise, optimizing your advertising campaigns for mobile devices is crucial. Ensure your ads are mobile-friendly, responsive, and optimized for different screen sizes to reach and engage a mobile audience effectively. Monitor and respond to customer feedback. Actively listen to your customers' feedback and respond promptly and appropriately. This demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction and helps build positive brand perception and loyalty. Collaborate with other brands. Consider partnering with complementary brands for co-marketing campaigns. By joining forces, you can tap into each other's audience and benefit from shared resources, increasing the effectiveness and reach of your advertising efforts. Advertising is a dynamic field that requires constant evolution and adaptation. Stay curious, embrace creativity, and keep an eye on emerging trends to stay at the forefront of advertising effectiveness. Now go forth and unleash the power of your advertising prowess, making a lasting impact on your audience and achieving remarkable success. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy advertising!